Look pretty delicious. This is the part I hate. We're gonna go ahead and take this membrane off. Gotta lean down to try to get this.
Lean back.
I know it'll make it easier. I know somebody gonna say, hey, just grab a paper towel. I got it.
Coming out clean.
See? We're gonna get these ready for tomorrow. Show y'all one of my secret weapons. Pickle juice. I learned this for these Memphis pit masters, but it's just not any pickle juice. It's Clausen. Tell y'all, go buy some of these pickles. And, save that pickle juice. Try it out. We're just gonna let it sit overnight. And it's pickle juice, so it's pretty much like brining. And then we're gonna season it up with the rub tomorrow. We're gonna be cooking, getting our holiday fun though. We kind of freestyling it, y'all. Little brown sugar there. That's paprika. I'm gonna throw a little espresso powder in there, so because I like this. I like what it does. Gives like a little flavor, not too coffee, but just a little hint. Like that, just a little hint. Chili powder. That. Some cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. We don't want to scare away the squares. A little bit of cumin. Cumin is strong. That's eyeballs and pepper. Today is the day. Trying to get these things going. And let them soak in a little salt and pickle brine. This one here, I'm just gonna cut this part off right here. Y'all see all that? You ain't gonna be able to do nothing with that. That's gonna burn right up. Oh yeah, they're real dead. Smell good. Smell good. This rub has got an excellent color to it. Now we just gonna let them sweat out before it gets the smoker ready. Look what time it is. About to go on there, baby. Baby back. Bunch them up so that meat be up on there nice and tender like that. And sing that song for me.
That's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, we're gonna let these rock out 2.5 hours. I don't know if I'm gonna wrap them or not. I might just let them rock all the way out for about 4.5 hours. Ooh, that look pretty. Spritzing, spritzing, spritzing. I got lime, W sauce in here, and water. And W sauce is Worcestershire. These babies pretty. You know what? I don't think we're gonna wrap these, y'all. We gonna rock out with them all the way through. We're just gonna let it cook. Just gonna keep spritzing by every hour for about a good 3 hours. Probably a total of 5 hours. It's gonna be nice and tender and smoky. Oh yeah. That one coming out. As y'all can see, this one's smaller, so it's coming off. We're gonna give this to the in-laws, Shawana parents. Nice little bean there. Ooh. Let them see a little surprise we got down there.
Yeah.
What y'all know about that?
Sweet potatoes.
Smoked sweet potatoes.
Yeah, 196 is climbing. 198, 199, 200. Yeah. There's some more flavor in the sauce as well.
That's right. I got hickory and apple on here.
That smells amazing.
Yeah. So we've been on here about 5.5 hours. Because
That's
we
stubborn.
it was stubborn. Because we didn't do no wrap. We said, hey, we just going straight through. Like I say, y'all, what we do over here, we just be experimenting. So we know what to do. Oh, yeah.
Awesome television.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh-wee. It's like an accordion. Ooh. Taste it. Ooh. Go down middle. Oh, so clean. So juicy. So juicy. And meaty.
Meaty.
Let's see what we got.
Tastes like heaven. See the look on your face.
Oh, look at that bite through. No struggle. And we didn't even wrap. Took a long time though. 5.5 hours for a baby back. That's long.
Yeah. But it's worth it. Look how that meat coming off the bone as you bite it.
So now we know, y'all, we can cook these all the way through without wrapping them, still get them juicy, and still have them tender, clean. All right, y'all. Get y'all on the next one. Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.